When the secret whispers of a people turn to open whispers, the tyrant should know that he will soon be on the run. The tyrant is marching, enjoying while the people suffer. For how long will it last? The people are hungry. They are complaining. The tyrant is enjoying cocooned in his air-conditioned house while the people are dying. The whispers are growing. How will it end? There is no guarantee. Questions are asked. Answers are not given. People are dying. Nobody worries. People are killed by those who are supposed to protect them. Nobody asks questions and nobody answers. The hunter has become the hunted. The whispers are growing. The tyrant will soon be on the run. There is no guarantee. This is Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. Thank you. Welcome to Open Whispers channel. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and please kindly remember to share the video. When the secret whispers of a people turn to open whispers, the tyrant should know that his time is up. Yesterday, there was a breaking news. First of all, it started with declaring the quote-unquote super cop Abba Kyari wanted by the Drug Enforcement Unit of Federal Republic of Nigeria, NDLEA. Then the drama that followed was subsequent arrest of the super cop Abba Kyari by the Nigerian police force, handcuffed like an ordinary criminal and handed over to the drug agency. I felt like throwing up. This is not really about the Nigerian police. There is corruption in the police force all over the world. If you read the American history, you also know that such things happened and probably still happen in America of today. But the difference is leadership. Somebody is in charge. The system is set up in a way that it checks itself of such rottenness. People don't get away with murder so easily when a system is established. But when such things happen in the third world countries, you don't just talk about the police, you talk about the weakness of leadership. The current leadership of the Nigerian state came to power with a presumption that they will fight corruption to a standstill. What is going on? This is a guy who was indicted by the FBI, and the impression was given to the Nigerian populace that this guy was suspended. But when he was declared wanted, from the timeline of when this whole drama started in January 21st till the day he was finally picked up, it was obvious that some questions are begging for answers. He was said to have been a member of a drug cartel that operates Ethiopia, Brazil, Nigeria. Was he just a member? Who is he fronting for? The probe panel that was set up to probe him of his FBI indictment, what did they come up with? Why did the Police Service Commission reject it and order a fresh probe? Who is hiding who? Who is this guy fronting for? Why is he too big to be brought to answer for his offenses? The Nigerian Federal House were in a hurry to honor him as a super cop. Somebody who was able to break open of so many mysterious crimes in Nigeria without investigation of everything he's been accused of. He has been accused of taking over properties from these suspects. He's been accused of all these extrajudicial killings. Nobody answered or asked questions about that. Nobody investigated. Even the notorious kingpin suspect, Evans, made a lot of accusations. Suspects from Enugu also made some serious allegations against this man, and he's walking free. I want to salute Buba Mawa for the good work he's doing in that agency. It gives us hope that Nigeria probably is on track for a new nation. You see, when Nnamdi Kanu and others call Nigeria a zoo or a banana republic, you see the reason? This is why. A child whose father sends to steal, when he gets to the victim's house, uses his leg to break down the door because the father sent him. I don't want to go into what is already in the public domain about how he called the drug law enforcement person, arranged to meet with him, offered him $61,000 as bribe for him to have part of the cocaine seized to sell in the black market. What bothers me is, according to my mentor, Fred Ibe, misplacement of or betrayal of misplaced confidence. This is the guy who was trusted to fight crime. And what did he do? He became the crime perpetrator himself, walking free, as if nothing happened. And up till now, nobody has resigned from the police hierarchy. That reminds me of the case of Maina, the pension fund criminal, who after stealing that fund went to Dubai to hide. And a top government official went to Dubai to wine and dine with him, only for Maina to come back and was reabsorbed in the Federal Civil Service, giving police escort. He evaded justice for so long until people started crying out. The House, Federal House, like always, in their own mock drama, ordered a probe, interviewed all those people, quote unquote, all the top shots involved. At the end of the day, nothing came out of it. It's the same house that honored this guy, Abba Kyari, made him a hero of a system that is leaking, of a system that is rotten, of a system begging for refund. Who sent this guy? It's just not enough for us to say he was working for a cartel. Who are the members of this cartel? The police has come out to say that the Drug Law Enforcement Agency, some of their members are also involved. Who are they? And who is that top shot covering these guys? Because for every crime, there is a godfather. What has given this guy so much impunity to run Nigerian police for the way he has done it? As if nothing happens. From the social media, there has been a lot of information of him saying that if he opens up, a lot of people will go down. Is that the case? Probably he's right. And that is why he is being covered. That is why he's under shelter. Chinua Achebe said that there was a country. And when he said that, he was not just referring to the Civil War. What are we doing as a people? Where are we going as a people with such a situation? First of all, I read about this police officer who went to a party. A young man was rude to him. What did he do? He arranged, when these guys were coming back from that party, for them to be killed under the pretense that they were armed robbers. And the girlfriend, who this officer was trying to talk to, was arrested and put in cell. To avoid being traced, this same lady was killed. That same police officer, from what I heard from TVC, was recalled, promoted, and they still enjoys immunity today from prosecution. It's not just about Nigerian police. Who is this person causing this havoc in the Nigerian police? There are very fine officers in the Nigerian police force, just like around the world. Is there somebody in charge of Nigeria? The buck lies on the table of somebody. If you came to power with that flag of anti-corruption czar, and this is happening right before your eyes, nothing has happened. I remember during the tenure of Olusegun Obasanjo, an Inspector General of Police was humiliated out of office for corruption. I still give Obasanjo that credit. A Senate President was also humiliated out of office for corruption. What is going on? How do we attract investors to Nigeria when there is no security of lives and property? All those proceeds of crime that this guy recovered from the suspects, what happened to them? There has been an accusation of fleas. Who is he accounting to? Because you can't tell me he operates as an island. This is sad. This is sad. And once again, let me salute the courage of Buba Mawa. I've always believed in this man since he left Lagos as the military administrator. The changes he introduced in that state still listed today. The foundation he laid, how he fought crime. This Abba Kyari, who is a member of the drug cartel, how many lives has this guy destroyed of our young men? How many extrajudicial killings has this man been involved in? What about all this illicit conversion of crime proceeds? A person that is supposed to be the guardian of this, who is supposed to be accountable to the public, has turned to be the person stealing from this process, and nobody has held him accountable. Why is this cover-up going on? Nobody has been held accountable. Nobody has resigned. Questions being asked with no answers. Nigeria needs answers. Somebody needs to resign. Somebody needs to be held accountable. Who are members of this cartel? The money, the proceeds from this illicit crime. Who partakes in the sharing? These are some of the answers that Nigerian masses need. If this man is proved, at the end of the day, is convicted, he should, first of all, have his day in court. And if he is guilty, he should go in for it. It's only when that happens that we can truly believe that this government is fighting corruption. Enough of this nonsense. Enough is enough. Who is behind this man? Who is he accounting to? These are questions begging for answers. This is Open Whispers. kindly remember to subscribe, share the link, and like always, remember that when the secret whispers of a people turn to open whispers, the tyrant knows that his time is almost up. You don't allow people to take laws into their hands. When you see jungle justice, this probably is the reason. When people commit crimes, walk about with impunity as if nothing has happened. This system must be purged. Beware, do good work, and please keep in touch. Thank you.